In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the headlights of a Wrangler JL series. This is a 2024 Plus. This is the one with the updated grille. So let's get right into it. So the first step is actually removing the grille. And we actually did another video, a separate video, and we're going to just link it below. Watch that first, and then you could come back here. But basically, it's about 6 or 7 clips over here. And then after that, you just pull it off and it'll just come out. Very, very simple to do. So let's talk about the headlights. The headlight housing is a lot different than the previous Jeep, but you can see that there are 3 10mm right there. So you just need a ratchet. You could use a manual one or an electric one like this. Basically, let's start with this. That's one. That's 2, and the third one right here by the frame. And then we got 3. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. And then this should be able to be moved. And look at that. It immediately comes out. You'll notice that if you notice, there's actually a harness. I'll actually show you after, but we'll get a close-up right here. This clip is really easy. It's a pressure one. You just push this down, and it comes back out. And there's an actual, like a little clip right here. Mine wasn't actually attached, but sometimes you might want to unattach this so that you could move this a little bit more free. But this is fairly light, but you see you have the iconic Jeep. I love it, how it has that right there. This is not LED. However, this is the newest JL, the 4-door right here. So that's how you remove it. Really, really simple. Jeep makes it pretty easy. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And if you love watching DIY content around the Jeep, definitely give us a follow and subscribe. We'll see you later.